US Vice President Mike Pence has once again put the East Turkestan issue on the agenda. In the Ave Maria University, Pence criticized the ever-tougher approach against religious minorities. The million-fold internment of Uyghurs was and still is violent human crime, so Pence. Adil Emin, brother of US activist Tahir Emin, is awaiting a 10-year sentence imposed by the Chinese government. Also, another brother and the mother of the Emin family are expecting a 10-year sentence. Other members of the Emin family were sentenced to life imprisonment for the separatist activism of Tahir Emin in the United States. The Chinese government continues to vehemently claim that it is training the Uyghur minority in labor camps, even though China's inhumane practices in East Turkestan are being reported worldwide. An anonymous insider employed in such an internment camp was interviewed by critical news site Bitter Winter. There, he reported on coercion of prisoners who are forced to denounce their fellow human beings. They are ordered to denounce those who participated in fights, walked at red over the traffic lights, owned unregistered knives or carried sharp objects with them. If detainees are unable to name such persons, they will face severe torture. As Turkey agreed with Russia on the purchase of the S-400 system, the Pentagon decided to cease supplying parts of the F-35 to Turkey. One will continue to negotiate with Turkey, it says from the Pentagon, but the program is ended because the S-400 system with the F-35 was not compatible and could be a security threat. The Israeli state broadcaster has announced that the Israeli government plans to build another 30,000 illegal homes for settlers at the Golan Heights.